Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today with a GTD. As you may or may not know, this car kicks out a load of white smoke when the accelerator's dipped, and one cause of that could be water in the fuel, in the diesel. So we're going to look at draining the fuel tank with the help of my dad, who's here, and put some fresh diesel in it and see if that clears it up. But first, let's have a little look at how bad it really is. So you whip this off to take out the 3 screws. This just pops off, and you've got one of these clips which holds this sensor on, and that just pulls off. Twist it off. Normally it's not this easy. I've had this off before in the past when it's the car with Albi. So I need to take these off first. So these 2 pipes. So they do need to come off. Got one off. Good stuff. Nice.
Overly dusty, isn't it? Oh.
We'll just don't turn it upside down over it. Are you going to get your hand in there?
Get your hand in there, am I? There you go.
Into here?
Yeah. Hang on. Come on. No.
Yeah.
Oh. Only colour. Supposed to be green.
Green?
Yeah.
Why is it yellow?
That's when you start turning it, it's yellow.
Oh.
And it's dirty.
We'll just go straight to the buckets with them.
Want to see how clean it was.
Alright, okay.
I can leave that in there, can't I?
Yeah.
Right, you got it.
Put it in. It's good, this thing, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it?
Got loads of fuel in it, so more than I thought.
Oh, it's got dirt in that.
Yeah, I know.
In that.
Yeah, I know. You can see some of the dirt that's come out of the tank. That's obviously not the best. So at least we've got this dirty fuel out, and as you can see the fuel was yellow as it was coming out, and it should be green, is that right?
Yeah.
So obviously it's gone bad. So the plan was to get our hand in, give it a swish around, but the hole's too small. So we're going to put the sender back in, put all the pipes back on, put some fresh fuel, and see how it is. You alright? You're alright, not cut yourself, have you? Ouch.
Squeeze it here.
Let's get back in.
How's it go?
You missed it?
Yeah. Maybe it goes like that, but I don't know. Is it?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
That's it, that way. What about this lid?
Don't worry about that at the moment. Let's just start the car up.
It'll have to run through first anyway.
So, yeah, that's not really made much difference. I guess the smoke's not white, it's actually bluey kind of colour, isn't it? So I'm not really sure what to do next with that. If you've got any ideas, let us know. Remember, if you're dealing with old fuel to dispose of it correctly, this is going to have to go down to the tip for disposal. Don't pour it down the drains or put this in a bin. You take it to the tip to be disposed of correctly. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider dropping a like or click on subscribe, or maybe even buy me a coffee by clicking on the link in the description. That would be greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot. Got more to do on this, more to do on the other car. I won't see you, but you'll see me in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.